welcome to my kitchen. Today I am going to cook a mouth-watering chicken recipe of Bodo tribe from Northeast India called Daau Jwng Kumra Jwng. The chicken recipe is going to be aromatic and saucy because we are going to use a very special vegetable, white gourd, which is going to be flavored with freshly grounded spices and condiments. But before we start, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe for food and travel updates. Now let's check out the ingredients that are required for this dish. Chicken, white gourd chopped into small pieces, onion paste, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, salt, slit green chilies, cardamom powder, cinnamon powder, clove powder, bay leaf, coriander leaves, and oil. Now let's start cooking. Heat oil in a deep pan. Then add your bay leaf and slit green chilies. Saute it for a minute on a low flame. Now add your onion paste and ginger garlic paste. Stir it well and cook it for a minute. Add your chicken pieces, white gourd pieces, turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, cardamom powder, clove powder, and salt. Stir it well, cover and cook it on a low flame for 30 to 40 minutes. Occasionally stir in between and cook it until the meat is tender. Now let's check if the meat is done. Yes, it looks ready. Finally, we will add our chopped coriander leaves and give it a stir. There, our Daau Jwng Kumra Jwng is ready to be served. Here is our Daau Jwng Kumra Jwng. The meat is tender and the white gourd along with the spices made the dish really delectable. No wonder it is so popular in Bodo cuisine. If you guys enjoyed watching this recipe video, don't forget to like and share.